Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring 2K25 is updated and your player profile is loaded. This matters because the Dragon Eyes option appears only in current menus. Once done, go straight to My Career or My Player, open Appearance, then Eyes or Accessories. Don't wander through other tabs. Make sure you've earned or bought the Dragon Eye asset, because the editor will only show compatible presets if ownership is confirmed. This prevents wasted tweaks and saves time when you begin applying the effect. Now you apply the Dragon Eyes by selecting the Dragon Eyes preset or creating a custom overlay. Choose it so the game maps the texture correctly. Next, adjust color, glow intensity, size, and pupil shape. These influence readability under arena lights. Once you tweak values, cycle through lighting previews, indoor, court, and night, because each reveals different contrast. Make small changes and preview animated emotes. This helps you see how movement and camera angles affect the final look. Finish by saving your appearance and testing the Dragon Eyes in a live game or replay to verify animation and alignment. This confirms the effect holds under gameplay conditions. If you notice misalignment, use offset X/Y and scale controls to fine-tune placement, and then reapply the preset to lock changes. If the eyes fail to appear, clear the game cache, restart 2K25, and double-check that the asset is owned. This common fix restores missing cosmetic items quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.